Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing a current backup and gathering essentials. First, backup photos, messages, and app data to iCloud or Google Drive so nothing is lost. Then temporarily disable passcodes and biometric locks so you can sign accounts out smoothly. Make sure you have Wi-Fi, the charger, and the SIM card available because you'll need connectivity for account removal and activation checks. Once those are ready, proceed to the account sign-out steps to remove ties to the previous owner. Once ready, sign out of the primary account on the phone, Apple ID for iOS or Google account for Android. This prevents activation locks. Make sure to turn off Find My iPhone or Find My Device and remove the phone from your online account device list. If the device is enrolled in Mobile Device Management or Enterprise Control, remove enrollment in the Device Management app or via the Management portal. Contact your admin if needed. Finally, unlink payment methods, revoke app permissions, and confirm remote access is disabled. You finish by performing a factory reset from settings to clear personal data. This ensures the phone starts fresh for the new controller. After reset, insert or transfer the SIM card and follow the on-screen setup to verify the device accepts the new account and network, test calls, SMS, and cellular data. Make sure activation or carrier locks are removed. If something fails, check for activation lock settings, verify account removal in the cloud portal, and contact carrier or vendor support if the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.